All right, well, Jason, what do we have? Showers, humidity, air quality concerns. Did I get everything?
I was just going to say, well, we got the humidity. We don't really have the heat, except up in the county.
Right.
They've been roasting. I made a run for 90 yesterday up there.
And dealing with the wildfire smoke,
Yeah,
it's been busy.
Double whammy up there. Here, down in southern Maine, where we're standing, it's not nearly as bad, but it is humid. Now, you see here, we got the fog going in. Basically, the sea bank, or it's the fog bank, excuse me, coming on shore, okay? It's late. Give me a second there. Dense fog. I mean, look behind me here. It's a Kennebunk rest stop. That's foggy everywhere along the coast. It's very bad down east. Flood threat continues inland. Slow-moving thunderstorms. Tomorrow looks good at the coast. Not so much inland. And getting even muggier than a cold front. Here's what's left of the rain today. It's basically up in northern Maine here. So from north of Bangor up towards the county, seeing those yellows. The massive story is the fog, especially as you head to the mid-coast, except for Rockland, and then down east, heading up to northern Maine, around a quarter of a mile, a half a mile, 3/4. Here's the fog forecast tonight. Notice that you got a bunch of fog here across the state, but that's going to go away tomorrow. You see, by late in the morning and midday, it's all over with. And then watch what happens here tomorrow evening at 10 o'clock. Fog comes right back on shore. So we're going to have another foggy night coming our way. Temperatures currently are the south and southwest, so the 50s and 60s for the most part. It's the humidity, the comfort factor, the dew point, really the measure of moisture in the atmosphere. We have these oranges, just widespread uncomfortable for everybody. We're all in the 60s for dew points. Dividing line is right here, stationary boundary to our south. That's the real 70-plus dew point stuff to our south. Cold front knocking on the door up north and quite soupy to the south. Eventually, that front's going to come down and just remove some of the humidity from the air briefly on Monday. But first, we have Sunday here in the morning. Sun and clouds mixed, and then the showers pop up afternoon inland here, not at the coast. This is where we're going to have those downpours and localized flash flooding near Augusta, Freiburg, and Lewiston Sunday late afternoon, okay? That's what I'm concerned about. So rainfall, you're not going to look like big numbers. It's very localized. You see Augusta's got a 0, but the colors very close to Augusta are porting up around 2 or 3 inches. So check in on the new Center Maine app to see where the green blobs are and where you need to run for cover, or maybe get to higher ground. Seas at 3 to 4 feet. Wind, it's going to be out of the south and until that front gets here. And then here we go, next 3 days, PM thunder showers away from the coast Sunday. And then Monday on and off rain. Tuesday looks to be quite stormy. Okay, really a lot of showers and thunderstorms. Wednesday on and off rain, 60s and 70s. Finally seeing something, in the effort of a little bit better by, maybe we'll see 70 by next weekend after tomorrow. Tomorrow's the warmest day of the next several by a long shot. So if you like it warm, you like it hot and humid, tomorrow is your day. Get out there.
And Jason, I don't like to see the storm clouds on Tuesdays because that's when our station softball team plays. So might be a postponement this week.
Got an umbrella?
I mean, I'll play, but it's not up to us, unfortunately.
Tuesday does not look good.
Great. All right, Jason. Thank you.